Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping active developer connections. First, open Settings and go straight to More Settings, then Developer Options. Revoke USB debugging authorizations so no computer is trusted anymore, and switch off USB debugging. Once done, flip the Master Developer Options toggle at the top to off. This hides the menu on most Vivo phones. Do this now so the system stops exposing debug bridges and advanced toggles, which prevents accidental changes and ends remote access from ADB. Next, make sure all risky settings are turned off. You should disable OEM unlocking and revoke any app permissions granted from developer options. This prevents bootloader changes and app-level test access. Turn off ADB, wireless debugging, and mock locations so no background service can re-enable debug access. If you don't see the master toggle because the menu persists, prepare to clear the settings app data. That removes the developer menu flag. Make sure to back up important settings shortcuts before clearing app data. Finish by restarting your Vivo to ensure changes stick. After reboot, navigate settings to confirm developer options is hidden. If the developer menu still appears, clear settings app data via apps right arrow settings, right arrow storage, right arrow clear data. This removes the developer flag and hides the menu. Make sure you back up custom settings first. If clearing data fails and security is critical, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Tip: always revoke USB authorizations first. That prevents a connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.